Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your NordVPN just refuses to connect on Windows 11, you are not alone. Today I will show you a quick and easy fix that works every time. No tech degree required. Here's the issue. The Nord Linux protocol, which worked perfectly on Windows 10, is having trouble on Windows 11. This is likely due to a network driver or compatibility problem. When you try to quick connect, you end up waiting forever and eventually it just fails. Frustrating, right? Here's how to fix. Fully close NordVPN, I mean fully. Check your system tray and the task manager to make sure it's not still running in the background. Click Task Manager and that's it. Step 2. Reopen the app. Now, from here, you will see many other options like threat protection, etc. From here, click Settings, then find Connection button or Connection and Security button. Turn off, choose a VPN protocol automatically. Select Open VPN TCP, avoid Nord Linux and Open VPN UDP for now. They are the troublemaker on Windows 11. Connect to your desired server and test it. You should see a stable and instant connection. Go to Home button, then click Quick Connect. And that's it. Until NordVPN releases an update to fix this compatibility bug, OpenVPN TCP is your best friend. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.